All right, we're ready for Unit 6, Lesson 10, so 6-10. We are on page 341, and if you see, we have number 1 is 508 minus 346, and I have this written up here already. What we're going to do is ask ourselves, do we need to ungroup 10 for 10 ones? Do we need 10 ones? Look right here. Is the bottom number bigger? No, it's not. So do we need 10 ones? No, we don't. So the answer down here is no. All right, let's look at the tens. Do we need to get 10 tens? Is the bottom number bigger? Yes, it is. So we do need to get 100 and regroup it for 10 tens. So the answer is yes. So it's no and then yes. Let's go ahead and solve it. 8 minus 6. We don't need to ungroup. We just subtract like normal. What is 8 minus 6? Yes, 2 is correct. Now, can we take 4 from 0? No, we can't. So we go next door. Take 100 away. Add 10 tens. Just slide a 10 right in front of it. It becomes a 10. 10 minus 4. 6, and 4 minus 3, 1. So the answer for number 1 is 162. We had to ungroup one time. Now let's do number 2. 500 minus 306. All right, first thing we're going to do, ask ourselves, do we need to ungroup for the ones? Is the bottom number bigger? Yes, it is. Oh, but when we look next door, we can't ungroup. We're going to have to go all the way to the hundreds. So I guess that answers our question for, do we need to ungroup 10 tens? Not 100 tens, 10 tens. Do we need to take away 100 and add 10 tens? Yes, we do. So the answer is yes for both. Yes, we need 10 ones. And yes, we need 10 tens. So, like I said, we can't knock next door and take away anything from here. There's nothing there. It's 0. So we have to go all the way to the hundreds. First step, take 100 away. Now we're left with 4 because we take 1 away and we add 10. Now, second step, we need to ungroup 10 for 10 ones. Take 1 away. What is it? You're right, it's a 9 because 1 less than 10 is 9. And now we add 10 ones. That's how we ungroup all the way across. We couldn't just go right next door, could we, boys and girls? We had to go all the way to the hundreds. So when it gets tricky like that, just keep your heads up